Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Zoobies kitchen. Today in this video we are preparing chicken 65 biryani, which is amazing recipe. So let's get started. Before that, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. So here first step is to marinate the chicken. I have taken 1 kg chicken with bone. To this add 3.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as required. I have added salt 1.5 teaspoons, red chili powder 2.5 teaspoon. You can adjust depending upon the hotness of red chili powder. Cumin or zira powder 1/2 teaspoon, coriander or dhania powder 1/2 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1.5 heaped teaspoon of tandoori masala. I am adding corn flour 3 teaspoons, (3 to 4 tablespoons of curd, lemon juice 2.5 teaspoon, 1 egg, 1/8 teaspoon of red food color, which is optional. Mix well. If you feel it very liquidy, you can add more corn flour or 1 teaspoon of maida or all-purpose flour. I am going to marinate chicken for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, next step is frying of marinated chicken. For this, we need to heat the oil. We are deep frying the chicken. Fry the chicken in the batches. Fry the chicken for 5 minutes on each side on medium flame or till the chicken gets tender till 90%. So you can see chicken has fried well from both the sides. Now drain the excess oil and keep aside. Similarly, fry remaining chicken pieces in the same manner. So our fried chicken has done. Keep it aside. Now we will move to our next step, which is preparation of gravy. For this, take a kadai. Add about 1/2 cup oil, let it heat. Add 3 cardamom pods or elaichi, 4 cloves or long, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks or dalchini. Saute these dry ingredients for 10 seconds. After this, add 1 medium-sized sliced onion. Saute until onions turn light golden brown. So our onion has turned brown. To this, add 5 slitted green chilies, handful of curry leaves. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute until raw smell of ginger garlic paste fades. 2 cups of tomato puree. I have taken 4 medium size of tomatoes and grind it into a paste. Cook until raw smell of tomatoes fades away. You can see our tomato puree has cooked well. To this I am adding leftover chicken masala. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. One cup of curd. Mix and cook on low to medium flame till oil releases from sides or from the surface. Lastly, to this gravy add half a quantity of fried chicken. Remaining we will add on the rice. Salt as required. Cook for 3 minutes. It's done, keep aside. So now we will move to our fourth step, which is preparation of rice. Take a big vessel, add water as required for boiling of the rice. To this add shazira half a teaspoon, cardamom pods 2, cloves or long 2, cinnamon sticks or dalchini 2, bay leaves or tej pata 2, 2 to 3 slated green chilies, handful of coriander and mint leaves, salt as required. I am adding 3 teaspoons of salt here. Mix well and let the water boil on high flame. So our water has started boiling. To this add 1 kg basmati rice. I have not soaked the rice. Cook the rice up to 80%. Rice has cooked, drain it. So let's move to our last step, which is assembling. So firstly we will add gravy. Second layer is of rice. On the top add 1/4 cup of oil. Orange food color. 2 medium sized lemon juice. Arrange the left chicken pieces. Coriander and mint leaves, some green chilies, and lastly add fried onions. Seal the vessel with aluminium foil. Cook or dum biryani on low to medium flame for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn off the flame. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. After that, remove the aluminium foil. You can see our delicious chicken 65 biryani is ready for serving. It turns out so delicious, so please give it a try. In this picture you can see I have kept the fried chicken, and in this picture the chicken is of gravy, so the color has changed completely. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye, Allah Hafiz.